So in this section of the tutorial, I will show you how you can use layer to control your types of roof, as in you have hip roof and the gable roof. So, and you want to have the two roofs in the same drawing. So how do you achieve that? So let's mouse over here, and right here we can use the roof tool, and we'll recreate a fresh, let's pick the roof tool, and then in fact, before we do that, let's go to the layer section, create a new layer called gable roof. We'll OK that, and then we'll create another layer called hip roof. So we'll have all of this in place like this, and okay, so we'll pick a roof tool, and then we'll choose the type of roof we want to handle. Let's first of all go to the second story and attach this with the gable roof, because this is the gable roof. So when this is attached with the gable roof, we can actually turn this off. Where is it? Gable roof. We can turn this gable roof off. It's no more. As you can see, if you turn to the 3D section, you see that the gable roof is not there. And let's now go to the floor plan, and this 0 story, which is the ground level, and then create the roof. This is now should be the hip roof. Where is it? Hip roof. So we'll create a new roof now. We have to choose a geometric type. We have poly roof type. So choose that. That will take us round like so. Let's come close to choose precisely around the wall. We'll do the same here. Continue like this. Okay, so when the default settings pops up, you can let this be, and since you can always change that. So you have created a roof with a new target layer. So if you mouse here now, and you will see that your roof is there. Let's take a look at this level. Yeah, the roof is there. But because you had already created the gable roof, so you still have the porch here. So you can actually trim this. You can ask it to trim to the roof, which will be taken care of. Okay, so let's now trim this. Wow, how do we select this? Okay, let's select at the top here. Alright, the bottom rather. So let's trim this. So ask it to now trim to roof. Trim to rooftop. Yes, trim. Alright, we have just resolved that problem. So right now we have two types of roof on same building. We can navigate through them using the layer control. So let's do that now. Control L. So right here we are on the we have turned off gable, so we can enable the gable, and then turn off the hip. So we now have the hip. You can see. So the only adjustment we need to be doing here is each time you change the roof, that means you have to update this section of the building.